Have you ever noticed that when someone near you yawns, suddenly you have the urge to yawn too? Even reading about yawning might already make you want to yawn right now. But why does this happen? Let's start with what a yawn is. A yawn is when you open your mouth wide, take a big breath in, and then quickly let the air out. We usually yawn when we're sleepy, bored, or just waking up. But yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a bit of a mystery. Now, imagine you're at home and your mom is reading her book. All at once, she yawns, mouth open, eyes closed, sometimes even a little stretch. 2 seconds later, you feel your mouth start to open wide, and before you know it, you're yawning too. This is called contagious yawning. It's like laughter. If you hear someone giggling, you might start giggling too, even if you don't know why. Yawns are catchy. What's really cool is that scientists have discovered even dogs can catch yawns from their owners, and some monkeys and apes catch yawns from their friends. But why do we do it? Some people used to think yawning was just about getting extra oxygen or cooling our brains. But those ideas don't really explain why yawns are contagious. Now, most scientists believe that contagious yawning is linked to empathy, which means understanding how someone else feels. If you care about someone, you're more likely to yawn when they yawn. It's a sign our brains are really good at connecting with other people's feelings. When we see someone yawn, a part of our brain called the mirror neuron system lights up. Mirror neurons help us copy what others do and feel, almost like tiny brain mirrors. So, when you catch a yawn from your friend or family member, it's your brain's way of showing you understand them, or that you're paying attention to them. It's a silent signal that says, "I notice you. I'm with you." Isn't that amazing? The next time you yawn after someone else, you'll know your brain is doing something special, showing that you care and that you're connected, all with a big, wide yawn. Yawn. Did you just yawn while reading this? That's your brain's magic in action. Subscribe for more amazing videos.